on this computer. Okay. So
so Milos, I was saying that don't just focus on USA. There is a lot. If it is shipping worldwide, then try and diversify yourself. Germany, Singapore, these countries do convert, okay? So, and Osman has another idea. There is a way you can check the trending. So Osman, can you show that?
Sure. So if you go on Google and you type Google Trends, right? So this is a free site anyway by Google. It's actually telling you what's trending, like what's working, what people are searching. So on there, you just type, let's say travel bag, okay? Travel bag, people are looking for travel bag, luggage, whatever. And it gives you United States, past 12 months, or you can choose any countries, yeah. So as you can see here, if I do an ad on Facebook or even Google or any platform, 100% of people, right, are searching in New York. So what does that mean to us? Yeah, people who are in New York are actually right now looking for travel bag. So who's coming? Nasibo. Who's Nasibo? Samia? Samia?
Just remove them. Don't admit.
Don't know who the guy is. Yeah.
No, don't admit. This was the previous meeting.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah. So Milos, you're getting value here, yeah? So what's trending? You can see New York, Hawaii, California, and it's giving you all these suggestions. This is what's trending. So now, like Samia said, you don't have to focus on USA. Let's check. Give me a country.
Slovakia.
Okay, Slovakia.
Slovakia, yeah, Slovakia. Slovakia is where he's from.
So right now in Slovakia, in July, look, people were really looking at it, and now it's well a little bit down, going up again. So the trends, it's like a forex short. It's going up and down, up and down, up and down. And between 31st of December till April, it was very good. Now maybe we'll kick up again. So people are not really searching in Slovakia. The strength is quite low, so I wouldn't suggest you go to Slovakia. So let's try it as a country, like Canada, for example. And here, yeah, look, Canada, the trend is always on. It's always going, look, it's going up. September 2nd to 8th, it's going up. And Alberta is a state region where people are really looking, British Columbia. So this is very good. And people are looking for Louis Vuitton travel bag. That's a brand name. So people are really looking for travel bag. Right, so our topic today is going to be Snapchat, okay? So the overview, you have to create your account, which take about 5 minutes, 10 minutes less to register. We're going to show you how to install your Pixel, create your ads, and also Snapchat ads can be used on IG. IG means Instagram stories, okay? It's above 30 seconds. So let's get to the Snapchat account, okay? So what you will do here when you go on ads.snapchat.com, it's going to give you a login or create account, because I already got an account, that's why maybe it's logging me directly. But in your case, it will say create an account, you enter your username, password, and then you will see something like this, a dashboard, okay? And now the first thing you will do is to come here on manage ad and click on the Snap Pixel, okay? And from here, you will go set up Pixel, okay? And you will copy this code here, and go to your ClickFunnels, which is your, what's called, your landing page setting, same thing. Just going to add it on the head tracking code, go down and click on save, okay? That's the first thing you'll be doing for Snapchat. And then the next thing you'll be doing is to actually setting up your ad. So you go on the Snap Publisher to create the ad first before even setting up the campaign. As you can see, I've got a few templates here that I was testing. So Snapchat does give you this pre-made template. All you have to do is change the heading and then the picture. Okay, so we're going to create a snap. And these are all the templates already done for you, right? There's a lot of templates here. Still loading. Let's see. And this can be used for Shopify as well. It's not restricted to just ClickFunnels. You can use this to Shopify and even Gym or anything like what we got here. You got kitchen stuff. Like let's say you're selling recipes, anything you want to sell. Yeah, so I'm just going to use this template, right? It's pretty easy to edit. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward, right? What we've got here is a background color. I'm going to start with background color. If you want to change it and match it with whatever you're selling, you can. If not, you can just leave it as it is. So I'll just leave that a little bit, let's say, bright here, yeah? So that catches attention. And then the stripes color is fine for me. Middle's fine. Image one, now all I got to do is to replace this image with whatever the Kickstarter is giving me, okay? So I'm just going to use an image here. Let's say, for example, this one. Got my image. I can edit it and put it the way I want, okay? And I can even make this, oh, sorry, make this bigger. Yeah, so if it's a bit too big.
What about the GIFs? Can you use GIFs?
In fact, this will be converted into a GIF. You just need to put the image, it will be converted into a GIF, okay? I'll just use the template that they provide. In that way, it's easier to approve, to get approved. So I'm just going to use, let's say, this one as an example. You cannot use GIF on one thing here. You have to create the image to actually become a GIF. That's what you need to do. So in that way.
I've seen the GIFs on the promotion of this product, on Kick Booster.
Say again?
I've seen the GIFs of this product on Kickstarter.
Is it IG stories already pre-made? Is that what you've seen?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, if it's already pre-made, then it's fine. But I thought you were asking if you can use a GIF image on one of these. You cannot use this unless it's already pre-made. Then that's fine, because he has given me the option to create my own. So that's why I'm using this here. So let's say this one here, and image number 3 to use another image. And we've got that one. And for Snapchat, you got to deposit $50 to get started. This is rules, okay? Got here, image 4. I'm just doing this as example, right? So I'm just showing you how this works. Use that one, use this one here. Image 5, replace. Yeah, so then what I'll do, I'll just change the logo. I'll put it to my own logo, which is Kickstarter stuff. So I think it's that one. Yeah, you go. And then on that one, we'll just put travel. In fact, it's travel bag, right, Samia? Or was this what it was? Travel backpack.
Yeah.
Travel backpack. And we'll just change it to a little bit smaller and change the color. Let's say to match the color of my thing. So these are stuff that you can play around, okay?
Mhm.
And here, I'll just say swipe up. Okay. So now if I play this, this is how it's going to look like.
Mhm.
I've just picked some random image. You can make some nice images that goes along. Okay. I'm just showing example how to create a campaign, and then you will go on review. And this is how it will look on your Snapchat.
Mhm. Nice, cool.
And looks good, fine. And then it will save that snap. And you can use the same thing for Instagram. I've actually done a training today for Facebook. It's inside the members area on Facebook, but we haven't covered Instagram. So I'm going to show you this as well. But base here, Snapchat, this is how you're building it. You can use any template, any pictures you want. And Snapchat will take a day to approve it. Oops, still building it. Okay, so I'm not gonna use that one because I've already got one, I think. So let's see if we go one. Show you here. I think that's the one. Similar. But you understand like how this works, okay? How this Snapchat
Sure.
thing works, okay? And this is not 50% of retail. Just put travel bags here. Now I will go on create ads, okay? And what I will do is I'll set up my campaign. I'll use advanced create. Objective, we're not doing website conversion, we're just driving traffic to website. And here, I like to start it the next day. Okay, and time, select time, say 7 o'clock. 7, okay, 7 a.m. Fine. And then daily cap, $50. This is what you need to spend on thing. And lifetime is, I'll just put it 100 so I don't spend more than this. And then click on build your ads. Now I'm here. I'll use it the same as it is here. Ad set name, just change it to travel. And here, edit placement. I'll use only publish a story, our stories and show. This is the one that actually works best for us. Okay. And targeting here is 54 million to 57 million.
For how long? Monthly reach? Monthly reach.
Yeah, monthly reach. So this is, I'll just leave that as it is here. I'll just put only publish the story, our story and show. This is what works best for us. And here location, if you want to change United States, you can take that off and select your country. So if you're going for Canada, 4.5 million to 4.6 million. Age rank, obviously going for female, going to 25 plus to by default is giving 35 plus. Okay, so we got an audience of base of 720,000 people. Okay, and here preferred audience, you can go for lifestyle. Let's say, see what we got here. Photographers, yeah, because my ads is this booster is for photographers as well, and it's for people who like to travel. Just put travel enthusiastic. And I can play with this as much as I want. I can just choose the categories: frequent travelers, theme park visitors, take the off casino visitors, tech and gadget fans. No, won't go for that. Shoppers, yeah, people who like shopping, obviously, just put there. That's for lifestyle. Actually, I'm going too low on this demographic. It's actually giving me less reach. So I'll just see what she's giving here. And then based on that audience there, 210,000, I'll just put swipe up. I won't use auto bid. I'll select my bid. So I won't pay 80 cents. Just put like 0.20 there. Okay. And my ad start there, and it will end on let's say 10. Okay, build your ads, and here I will name it again: travel ads, travel bag, brand name, just do that, Kickstarter, headline, funded in 24 hours. Oh, it won't allow me to put all this. Just put offer ending soon. Okay. And now I'll just upload, because I already got one. If I want to create, if I got browse, I already got my media. Select my media here. And its website, call to action, order now. Website URL. Okay, the rest I just leave blank, impression tags and all this. And then I'll just click on review and publish your ads, and that's it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I won't click review and publish because it won't allow me to, I think, to turn off the ad on like Facebook unless it's approve it. And then, so this is how I'll create my ad on Snapchat. Do you have any question on this?
So you have a build landing page and then directing people to the offer without collecting any emails or whatever.
Yeah, because this is, I'm just sending people to a landing page because, as we explained in the first session, if you don't use landing pages, against Snapchat rules, it's against Google rules. So you cannot do direct linking affiliate marketing for certain traffic sources. That's why we're using a pre-landing page to actually pre-sell this product.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what we'll do. And the Facebook training that we've done is already inside the members area. So you can watch that, because yesterday we postponed the meeting, and as promised, I've done the recording. So you can watch it here. It's on Facebook Mastery, and it's here.
I already watched it.
Samia, you with me, my friend?
I'm here.
Yeah, any question? Anyone, any question?
Well, it was pretty straightforward.
Yeah, it's straightforward, and you can use this to promote anything. And the traffic is very good on the Snapchat, because not a lot of people, competitors, knows about Snapchat. They're not even running that. Everyone is focusing on Facebook, and Facebook getting expensive, right?
So doesn't get so expensive at the moment, or?
I'm not saying it's getting expensive. Our goal here as a marketer is to send traffic, as many traffic source as we can, to the landing page as fast as possible. This is what dominates the market. So if, let's say, I'm using here, I'm only sending Facebook traffic to this page, okay? So I have no option for people who go on Google to actually see this ad. But if I'm running ads from Facebook and I'm doing the remarketing on Facebook, plus I'm running Google traffic, I'm using search traffic, I'm using Bing traffic, I'm using Snapchat traffic, what do you think is going to happen? One people from any of this traffic source might potentially buy this, because my targeting is super targeted. It's not just about using the traffic source, it's knowing how to use it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So what we're showing you here, how to promote one offer. You can go and promote any offer you want using these strategies, but we're giving you Click Booster, because Click Booster, you don't need any shop, you don't need anything. You just you don't need any store, inventory, email marketing, and all them stuff. You just need to get traffic, send to the offer. Only thing you need is ClickFunnels. If you don't want to use ClickFunnels, you can use a blog, you can use any pre-landing page. That's up to you. But the reason we're using ClickFunnels, because it's easy to create and it's like mobile friendly as well. So this is what we like with ClickFunnels. This is how it looks like. You see? Yeah, Samir?
Yes, bro.
Yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, we done?
That's it for our course, guys. Okay?
Yeah.
So go implement these methods. They will work. Okay?
Hopefully. I'm gonna try them for sure.
If you say hopefully, they will not work.
You have
You
to
are
be
sure?
certain. Right, look at me and Sam here. When we set up ads, right, we don't set up ads to try things. We set up ads because we believe in ourselves. We believe, like, look, if I set these ads, people are going to see it. The targeting is good. And then we just look at the data, because we know nobody's doing like us. Yeah. So this is what is taking us from what the rest of the people are not doing. Even if you show this free, people are not going to take action because people don't want to do the work. But we're doing the work, we're doing out there. So somebody is going to see the ads. Even if nobody is buying in the first hand, well, my ad is getting exposed to loads of people. And this product has been funded in 24 hours. And I'm targeting Kickstarter, like I mentioned in the Facebook training. So other people will be interested. It's not like if you put an ad today, it doesn't, and you don't get any traffic, not any traffic, sorry, you don't get any clicks or any sales, means it doesn't work. Because maybe on Tuesday, today, what day is it? Friday, Samia? Today is Friday. Most people are in the club, right? Most people in the club, and Saturday is a weekend. They might not be interested to buy. And when they're thinking of it on a Sunday. So if I were you, I'll run like $5 a day on Facebook. Leave it for running for a whole week. See what happens. Because any of these days, people can pick up. Because we don't know when people are going to buy, right? And when it comes to Facebook, you need to see the amount of impression, how many people actually saw the ad, and then how it's converting, how many clicks you're getting. And these are the metrics that we look at. So we're not covering all this because this is like a complete Facebook course, which we were showing to you inside our coaching program, Samia, Facebook Advanced Mastery.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're not showing you, it's not like we're not showing you, but Facebook Advanced Mastery is another like Facebook course, just showing you exactly how Facebook works, what are the metrics you need to look at, and all that stuff. So we cannot cover all this in one session, but we're just showing you a fast way.
That one is a coaching for 8 weeks. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a full business kind of training, and that's what it is all about. That one is on a different level altogether. It's like a fully business you're operating. Okay.
Because that one, you'll be running ads. Let me stop the recording now.